There are two different types of foundations. Shallow foundations, such as pad, strip, raft, and trench foundations, and deep foundations, such as bored and driven piles. The type of information that needs to be provided within your calculations package will change depending on the type of foundation you are constructing. When constructing shallow foundations for a new building or an extension, we would expect to see a ground investigation appropriate for the size of the building and calculations and drawings by a structural engineer. If adding additional loads to an existing foundation, calculations by a structural engineer should be provided to demonstrate that these foundations have the required capacity. For deep foundations, such as pile foundations, we would expect to see a pile design from a geotechnical consultant or piling contractor and a ground investigation report. The ground investigation should go to an adequate depth with a sufficient number of investigation points and an interpretation of ground conditions. Pile design calculations are usually completed using software in accordance with BS 8004 or Eurocode 7 and its UK National Annex. Piles should be designed for vertical and horizontal loads. If piles are driven through film material, negative skin friction should be taken into account. If piles are going into a cohesive soil, such as clay, and there are trees, they should also be designed for heave. In addition to the pile design, a pile layout and schedule by the project structural engineer should be provided. We expect to see piling logs for all types of piles and integrity tests for continuous fly auger piles. Depending on the risk level and the safety factors used in the pile design, pile load testing may also be required. All these details will need to be provided to building control as part of your calculation package. Please see our YouTube channel for more detailed videos on foundation design and get in touch if you have any questions. Thanks.